Welcome to TechnoGo. In this video I will show you 5 of the latest smart home gadgets which will make your life much easier. This list has been put together after hours of research, based on quality, price and reviews. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our videos. The IglooHome Smart Padlock gives you flexibility when convenient access control is needed, and it's jam-packed with security features so you can always be at ease. No more fiddling with small digits or fussy dials on conventional padlocks, nor will you need to keep track of keys or codes to unlock. The padlock is mobile app enabled for you to gain or grant access on your terms. Use it both indoors and outdoors. The padlock can withstand wet and dry weather conditions, whether it's to secure a bicycle, or a locker in the gym, to yard gates and self-storage facilities. You can count on the padlock to make access a breeze to manage. Unlike other Bluetooth padlocks, the IglooHome Smart Padlock does not require the user to download an app to unlock it. With Algo PIN technology, simply send PIN codes to your friends, family and more for them to use. You won't even need to be near the padlock to sync these PIN codes for them to work. Choose from one-time, duration or permanent PIN codes. Time-sensitive access ensures that your assets will always be kept safe with the padlock. Aspara is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy to eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. Using a combination of LED grow lights, an automatic watering system and advanced sensors, Aspara is a connected control system for your indoor garden that does the growing for you. Aspara's smart built-in sensors monitor, detect, report and record growth conditions based on nutrient concentration, air temperature, humidity, water temperature and overall water content in the system. The sensors will adjust lighting, water flow and planting modes based on your plant's needs. Precise monitoring of the growth conditions provides accurate instruction on the amount of water and nutrients required to be refilled into the system. With the water-resistant roller brush and the magnetic mopping component, the mop box, you just need to fill it with water and attach to the brush head. Then it will allow you to deep clean any stain and dirt on the floor more effectively in just one simple step. Adopted with the Vshape all-round brush head, there is no more hassle to switch between different floor cleaning heads. Simply use this Vshape all-round brush head to deep clean across all floor types. It is the first cordless vacuum cleaner brand that comes with an innovative magnetic wireless charger, which makes storage easier. Samsung introduced Ballie at CES 2020, a small ball-shaped robot intended to help you around the house. They say Ballie utilizes AI to be a security robot, a fitness assistant, a tool to help seniors connect with smart devices in their homes, and it can even be a friend to your kids and pets. Announced as an example of robotic life companions, Ballie's primary function at the moment seems to be its ability to navigate floors autonomously and answer to voice commands. The FoldiMate is slightly larger than a standard washing machine. According to the developers, it can fold a full wash in less than 4 minutes. The user clips the piece of clothing on 2 hooks and the item is pulled into the machine. Then a series of rollers and arms moves in all directions to straighten and fold it. The machine can fold shirts, tops, trousers and dresses, but not small pieces of clothing like underwear or large items like sheets. The folded items are returned in a stack through a window at the bottom of the machine.